This is the elevator at some parking garage in Cincinnati, Ohio. These look lovely. What kind of...
Lovely is not the word I would use, but...
Being sarcastic. Oh gosh. One. Ooh. Traction? What the heck?
We're picking people up.
Whoa. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor? Street?
Wow.
I want to push it.
Oh, no.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Let's watch the floor indicator.
You know what? I forgot my gun.
I've got some.
Yeah.
I don't know how much.
One more.
I just need one piece.
Here are one.
Yep.
That's where we're at now, isn't
Yep.
Whoa.
All right, guys. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Roof. Let's see this motor. Relay controlled. Here are 5. Let's take it out of the route. We're gonna now go forward, switch elevators.
You want it for a lookout?
No, we'll do that. We'll do that after we switch elevators. Now switch up. Send this one down. Whoa. Send this one down.
Get the light. Up, 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 up.
We're gonna go up now. GL JetPlus Fixtures.
It might be a Lincoln.
Not sure what the name of this garage is, but oh, there's some of Cincinnati. Level 4, color coded.
Rust is already starting.
Here's this
I
one.
don't think this one's running. Oh, look at that. It was running.
Here's this one. 5. Ooh. Whoa. Takes forever to level. Whoa. These things are rough. Oh, it's the red level. As you can see, right here is a view of downtown Cincinnati. Let's try to get some shade. Right there is the Duke Energy Convention Center. There's a man-powered elevator. There's some of downtown Cincinnati. Cyrus 1 building. Right there's a Millennium Hotel. I believe it's the South Tower. That may be the North Tower. Let's go back down. Let's head back down now. It's sitting here waiting for me. Scott bumper. 4. Ooh, this thing. Door closed button does not work.
We're getting off now, right?
Yeah. ADA phone. Whoa. Gotta watch, doors closed out. There it goes, and has a bumper. That's it.